Welcome back, Kabarok. This is Potchot Barok. We're just done trekking dito sa Avatar Tutulari Avatar Gorge. So, pabalik na kami dun sa sasakyan. Then we're going to the viewing deck. And then, yan, may malit na di-drip ng tubig. So, look at the view. Ganda. When it's nature, pag God's creation, nothing compares sa ganda ng creation ni God. Okay. Look at these guys. Look at those rock formation. 0.6. Look at this. Everything that is red. Tara na. Alas 11 dapat, di ba? So, ito na may punta kitang viewing deck kanyan. Naya, let's go. Halita na talaga, alas 11 ka ng... Hindi mahaba, mabagal lang kayong magpa-picture. So, still here.
Let's go.
Oh, pabalik na kami, Kabarok. So, yan. Pagpabalik, paakyat na siya. And I'm carrying around 8 kgs backpack. Hindi ko alam kung kailan. Ang talo dito. Okay. That's the Tutulari. Avatar Gorge. So, another paakyat.
Tita Jensen. Ito na. Careful ha. Watch out, watch out. Gutom na mga bulati ng Tita Jensen.
Pagpabalik guys, paakyat siya. So, we're going to burn a lot of calories. Tama lang kasi kahapon, kagabi, nag-buffet kami sa birthday ni Nang. Mukhang naimpatso pa ako kagabi kasi sobrang sikip ng tiyan ko. Bloated. Hindi ako makaburp. Para ako masusuka sa busog. Hindi ko na kaya talagang madami kinakain. Look at this. So, ayan siya. Another ikot, ikot lang. So yan. Nice. Look at this rock formation. Look at that. Then a nice view. Green. To, puro rock. Rock your body, rock your body. Back to me. Uy! We're done. We need to be back sa sasakyan by 11. Then back to SM Clark City. Malayo-layo pa. Look at this. Look at that. You're tired? Are you tired? Huh? You conquered! Oo. Nice. Stop, stop. Okay, just stay there. Just stay there.
What?
Just stay behind me. We're almost there. I think so. Look at these. Wait for you. Don't. Netherlands to Luxembourg. Mas masikip yun.
Ay, may tao.
Another stairs. Naya, wala na. Malapit na daw. Hindi kayo makarating sa paroroonan namin. Okay. We're gonna climb up the stairs. Ayan siya. So, I took this earlier. Yan ang tinaha ko kanina. So, ito. Uy! My brave daughter, Anaya. Come up. Okay. We're burning a lot of calories. Look at that view. Back to me. Okay. Ay, malay ko. Lapit na. I think so kasi maliwanag na dito eh. Just wait later when we're out. I think we're just halfway through. Kalahati pa lang. We have 10 minutes to reach sa meeting point. Imagine I'm carrying 10 kgs of. My bag is very heavy. I have 3 bottles of water. My bag is heavy, I said. I have 3 bottles of water in the bag. Ah, we're here. I think we're here. I can hear the cars.
Ah, you're at the end.
Yay! We're done. Okay guys, tapos na. Natapos namin. So, this is it. Pansit. Okay. I'll just show you the signage. Okay. Okay, we're done. Look at the signage. Yan yung mga sakyan. Then, welcome to Tutulari Avatar Gorge. I want to show you some pineapple. There is pineapple here. Okay. Okay guys. Time to sign off. See you again later. Mga kabarok. Ingat, bye.